Here I've got the LG V60 ThinQ and I'm gonna show camera pro mode on it. At first we have to click on the camera button here, and now let's take a look at the settings bar here. So here we can move to the more advanced settings here, and here we pick the manual camera. As you can see, the pro mode gives us the possibility to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, so it's very useful when we want to making experiments and learn photographic skills. And we start with this settings bar here. The first one here is the white balance, so here we can change the temperature of our picture, as you can see by this slider, to more warm in Kelvin degrees or to more cold as we need. And the next one here is the focus, so here we can change the autofocus to manual focus, and as you can see, this is how it works. And the important thing also is that when we want to go back to the auto settings, we just tap on this button here, and also it works to the white balance here. And the next button here is the exposure compensation, so here we can make our photo more bright or more dark as we need. And the important thing is that this button doesn't work when we have the ISO. So next button, turn it on, this is locked, so we have to be auto here to make it work. And also we can go back to auto settings here and by just one click on this. So now we go to the ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see, we have this slider and this is how it works. We can make our picture more light or more dark, and also this is, as I said, locked. And the next thing here is the shutter speed, so here we can change the time of taking picture, and this is the pretty wide spectrum, as you can see, from 1/4000th of seconds of taking picture to 20 seconds of taking picture, which is very long and it gives a lot of possibility to making experiments. And also we can go back to the auto settings by just one click here. And also when we have this turned on from our personal settings, to go back and reset all of this, we just click on this button here and go back to the auto settings at all of these parameters here by just one click. And the useful thing here is this button here. So here when we tap on this, we have some kind of filters, but they are more advanced than standard filters, because they shows us the best settings here, manual settings in different scenes. For example, night view, street, nightfall, snapshot and more. So I think this is very useful, because here we can learn the best possible parameters in different scenes by just this slider. And the next thing I want to show you here is this button here, and here we can save as RAW. The RAW format is the format which captures all image data recorded by the sensor, and it is used by professional photographers, especially to post-producing photos after doing that in the graphic program, so it's really pro. And now I'm going back here, and I'm going to take a picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.